Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all safe and healthy out there. Today we have came up with this beautiful jewelry design in this video. We will show you the latest collection in the market every time. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video and wish to watch all our latest video, hit the bell icon and choose all notifications. All the designs are very pretty and we can wear them for any occasions. Friend, this video is not a sponsor video. Sanjita's Simple Life is not responsible for buying and selling any of this product. All the designs are for educational purpose only. Kindly like and share this video with your family, friends and colleagues. Please support us by subscribing and sharing this video. Your action will encourage us to make more videos. Tell us in comments which designs you want us to show in next video. Also, please share your opinions and suggestions in the comment section. Watch the video till the very end for beautiful designs ahead. Thank you all. Enjoy the video.